Another red letter day for the Indian space program. The Indian Space Research Organization successfully launched its 100th mission today. The Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle C-21 lifted off at 9:53 a.m. from Sriharikota in Andhra Pradesh. It has successfully put a French and a Japanese satellite into orbit. Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh was present to watch the PSLV lift off and called it a historic milestone in India's space program.
Adding another milestone to its achievements, India successfully launched its 100th space mission with the indigenous PSLV C-21 rocket, putting in orbit 2 foreign satellites. ISRO's workhorse, the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle or PSLV, soared into an overcast sky at 9:53 a.m. from the Satish Dhawan Space Center at Sriharikota. Through this historic liftoff, PSLV successfully placed into orbit France's 655-kilometer Polar Orbit Spot 6 satellite and Japanese mini-satellite Proteus. Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, Minister of State in Prime Minister's Office V. Narayansamy and ISRO Chief Dr. K. Radhakrishnan, besides several scientists, were present on the occasion. The Prime Minister termed the launch as a milestone in the country's space capabilities. The successful launch of foreign satellites followed a pact reached between Antrix Corporation, the commercial arm of ISRO, and Astrim SAS of France, which had built the satellite.
We started the space program in the 60s. We started with the application as the thrust area. We said we will develop satellites, launch vehicles. That's where we are today. We have ability to reach all the people, communication, remote sensing, science, etc. So Mars is another challenging mission where we will be developing a lot of technologies which are required for the future. That's one side. The second one, the planetary exploration itself is an exciting, interesting field which is needed. And there are long-term visions for the Mars exploration for India, for any major spacefaring nations. And we are one among the 6 in the major space countries.
ISRO began its space odyssey on a humble note when it launched the indigenous Aryabhatta on board a Russian rocket on 19th April 1975. And with Sunday's launch, ISRO has completed a milestone of 100 missions. The total weight of the French satellite Spot 6 is 720 kg, which is the heaviest satellite to be launched by India for a foreign client. This satellite is capable of imaging the Earth with a resolution of 1.5 meter. It is the latest generation optical remote sensing satellite.
I am delighted at having witnessed today's launch of India's Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle C-21 carrying 2 foreign satellites. On behalf of all fellow Indians, I warmly congratulate the Department of Space and all members of the Indian Space Research Organization fraternity for this spectacular success.
Questions are sometimes asked about whether a poor country like India can afford a space program and whether the funds spent on space exploration, albeit modest, could be better utilized elsewhere. This misses the point that a nation's state of technological development is finally a product of its technological prowess.